All right, great. Now that you know about how we're actually going to make money online and know about the concept of affiliate marketing, as I told in the previous lecture, we need to find ourselves a great product to promote. Now, fortunately, you don't have to do that anymore because this whole copy and paste online passive income system that you and I are going to set up for you in this course is based around promoting a very specific product. And that's because this product, first of all, is a great product which has close to 100,000 customers and is changing businesses and lives every day. It's really a solid product. And ethically speaking, you can rest assured that you do good by promoting that product because it actually helps people, right? And the second reason, which is obviously for us also a very big component, is because of its insanely good affiliate program. So I haven't seen an affiliate program that comes close to the affiliate program of this product. And now I'm going to reveal the secret. The product that we are going to promote is called ClickFunnels, okay? So it's called ClickFunnels, right? And just as in our example in the previous lecture, this product is a software product, okay? So what this does is basically it helps people to sell their products and services online in a more advanced way and improve, their businesses and lives with that software. So there's like a drag and drop web page editor. You can easily create web pages visually by just, it's a very straightforward and easy to use software. And it also, you can create sales funnels, upsells, downsells. All of this might sound gibberish to you, but people who own small businesses and are struggling to, get by, ClickFunnels is helping them to sell more effectively online, right? And then, those businesses can track how many people got to my landing page, how many people, opted into, knowing more about my specific product, how many people converted into, being a customer, how many people, it's all data driven and it's a web page builder. You can build sales funnels and, there's an email marketing tool in it. It's just like this all-in-one product component for small business owners and people who make money online to improve and sell more effectively, basically. And that's why ClickFunnels as on its own is a fantastic product, which is a great product to promote, right? So, but that's not only why we're promoting it. The main reason, of course, why this whole system that we're going to implement is based around promoting ClickFunnels is because of its affiliate program, okay? So, what the affiliate program, what makes it so unique in comparison to other affiliate programs is, first of all, which is fantastic, it's a recurring affiliate program, okay? So, excuse my spelling if anything seems off. So, recurring means, since ClickFunnels is a software product and it's a website builder, as I described, people who use that product, who use ClickFunnels, they pay monthly, right? It's a software as a service business called SaaS. You may have heard of that term. If not, it doesn't matter that much. So basically, users pay a monthly fee, okay? So, monthly. So, first, it starts off with $97 a month, right? That's like the base plan of ClickFunnels, and people who use that make way more off of it. So it definitely is a good ROI on their investment. But anyway, it's a recurring affiliate program. So it means that if you get a new customer to ClickFunnels, right? If you refer them a new customer, you get 40% commissions every month, okay? Which means that if you refer a customer today, right, and they sign up with ClickFunnels, pay their monthly subscription fee, you get 40% of $97, let's say around $40, but not only one time, but as long as this person stays a customer with ClickFunnels, okay? Which is huge because you could do the work once, and if this person stays with ClickFunnels for 2, 3, 4 years, you are going to earn $40-ish every single month off of that one customer, okay? Which is huge, which is amazing. And that's why it's called a passive income system, because once you got a customer in and they stick with ClickFunnels, and they usually do because it's a good product, you earn recurring sales, commissions. So the second reason why this is a fantastic affiliate program is something called sticky cookies, okay? What is sticky cookies? Sticky cookies, basically. So think of it as a cookie that is placed in the browser of that person who joins ClickFunnels through your promotion, okay? This might sound very techy and everything. You don't need to understand the technical part of it. What it does, basically, is ClickFunnels not only has their base software, but they also have a wide array of additional products, digital courses, software, additional software. They have close to 50 products, and they have books, they have, you name it. They have a lot of products. And once you refer someone to ClickFunnels, to the base software, right? And later on, like 3 months later or 2 weeks later, they decide, hey, awesome, I found a training program provided by ClickFunnels regarding my specific business, which costs $300 to join, right? You earn 40% on that too, okay? For lifetime. So if that customer you refer decides, as long as they stay a customer with ClickFunnels, if they decide to buy any of ClickFunnels' additional products, you earn 40% commission on those sales too, which is just absolutely insane because they have products that range from $40 all the way up to 2,000, 3,000 private coachings, which is a crazy potential right there. So, and the third reason why ClickFunnels has an amazing affiliate program is that they have a second tier, okay? So what does a second tier mean? So basically, we said, we refer this guy to ClickFunnels. This guy then pays $97 monthly to use the software, and we get 40% of that, right? Now, let's say that this guy you refer to ClickFunnels one day decides, hey, awesome, this affiliate program sounds very nice. I want to promote ClickFunnels to others. So this person you initially referred as a ClickFunnels customer only also becomes a ClickFunnels affiliate. And now this guy refers another guy and another guy, right? And then he earns those 40% commissions, right? Just like us. The cool part is, if that happens, right, we also earn 5% of whatever these people that our guy refers to ClickFunnels earn, okay? So if you are here on top and you referred this guy, you earn 40% off of that, right? But you also earn 5% on all of the people that he referred into ClickFunnels. I'm going to elaborate on this in detail in the next lecture, but this is basically what makes ClickFunnels so unique, so special. It's a really, really good software product, first of all, and then it differentiates through their affiliate program, which is just absolutely huge in potential. And to truly see the financial potential of what we're going to set up, we will draw like an example of what is possible with the ClickFunnels affiliate program for you, for your online business. And yeah, that's what we're going to do in the next lecture. I hope everything is clear so far. So we're going to promote ClickFunnels, amazing product and amazing affiliate program, and the whole copy and paste business that you are going, basically you can copy my business and take it and paste it. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. So next lecture is going to about the financial potential, and I'm looking forward to that, to discover how much you actually can make with this affiliate program.